en un tiempo había un grupo que ese grupo reinó mucho tiempo.
¿Cuánto tiempo estamos
y las
hablando?
cosas eran pues como a media con la guerrilla. Después entraron los paramilitares y ahí sí se prendió la llama. Ya ahí no hubo que hacer.
No hubo que hacer.
Porque no estaban de acuerdo.
Y esa gente que los guerrilleros querían, ¿para qué querían esa zona de ahí de ustedes?
Pues de verdad que aparentemente ellos querían ganar pues el poder, ¿cierto? Como que...
¿Pero para sembrar
eh,
o para solamente para...?
ellos decían que estaban a favor del campesino, pero no se sabía hasta dónde llegan las cosas.
That's very confused, no? That is
Bueno, no se pudo vivir con los grupos.
because, sí, exacto, no. Many years ago, I'm telling, because you know, Colombia has been in a war for about 60 years, no? And the first of all, in the 40, 50, okay, two different parties, no? The liberales and the conservative, no? People that were fighting for the power, no? For the political power, no? So, and then they have one of the leader of the liberal party was killed, no? In Bogota. Then we had a big problem over there in Bogota, which was called El Bogotazo. No, there was a lot of strike, a lot of people protest about, and most of part of the city was destroyed in that time. Okay, that was in the 40s, 50s, and so on. And also in that time, a lot of people were displaced, no, from different areas, no, of the country, or the countryside of Colombia, no, to big cities, no, like Bogota, like Medellin, or for example, like him. He was living in a small place, no, and then he was displaced from there to here, no, by violence groups. Okay, then we have the 60s, 1960 till 1970. Okay. Here in Colombia, it was formed the guerrilla groups, no, like the FARC, ELN, M19, CAP, a lot, no, but they were the most, or the biggest, or the most important guerrilla groups, no. They fought also each other, no. They fought against the government for the ideals, no, politics ideals. Then 80, 90, no, the carteles, no, the cartel de Medellin, cartel de Cali, cartel de Coro, so they fought also each other to try to get the control, the power of the situation, no, the power of the drugs dealers, of the traffic, and all that stuff, no. That's why, but who suffered, okay, who were the victims, no, these people, no, the poor people, the people who was working in the fields, in the farms, no? These people, they need to take the control of the area, no? To develop the plantations, no? The coca plantation, or the marijuana plantation. In Medellin, no? They also used to be one of the most dangerous city. Le estoy explicando la historia más o menos hasta dónde llegó su desplazamiento. It was also the most dangerous city in all the world, okay, because a lot of different groups, they were fighting, okay, each other, okay, for the control, okay, of the area of the city. Okay, that's why he's in this situation right now. No? We speak. ¿Cuántos más o menos desplazados tiene? No te acuerdas. So, more than
6 millones.
¿Cuántos?
6 millones hubo desplazamiento aquí en Colombia en la violencia.
About more than 6
claro,
million
6 millones
people
de
were
personas.
displaced, no? In all these times, no? In all this time, no? Between the Bogotá. On to the Anden Cordillera, no? The range mountain.
Yeah,
Anden.
Yep.
The Andes, no? Okay, you know the Andes, but exactly here in Colombia, no, this cordillera is in three biggest, no, range mountain divided, no, like this one. You see over here, like my hand, no, the Andean cordillera, and right here in Colombia, split in three, no, which is the central, no, estamos en la cordillera central, no, in the central cordillera, also where we are located. And then we have here the oriental, no, cordillera y occidental to the Pacific side. At the north of Colombia, which is this in the Sierra Nevada National Park, 5,700 meters. That's the highest one in Colombia, no? On the top, we have some snow, some glaciers, okay, and around here, the Tolima is about 5,200 meters high around, but we don't see it from here, but it's and the mountains around here 3,000 meters. We are right now over 1,975 meters high. So we're in Medellin we were over 1,500. So that means we are lower, no, than before. Okay, so in the Cordillera Central, in the Central Cordillera, so we will find more than 60 volcanoes, no? Colombia million years ago, used to be under the water, no? And then by the moving tectonics, no, the mountains rise up, and also by a lot of volcanic activities, no? All these mountains were formed like this, no? That's why we have a lot of sediments. That's why we have a lot of landslide also in Colombia, no? Because it's a sediment. Cascade waterfall.
Venga, papi.
Sí, exacto. When you go to the market, to the minorista, so you will see this fruit, no, but not like this. You will see already
conociendo en la ruta
Now we speak about the cacao process. Okay.
verificando, conociendo plagas y enfermedades y conociendo clones de cacao
The cloning.
y polinizar cacao.
Okay, so now we will know about the cacao process, no, the cacao plants. We will know about a different kind of cocoa, the cocoa fruits, no, the cocoa fruits, and all.
Que siempre trabajamos hace más de 60, 70 años. Yo toda la vida que me conozco, mi papá trabajaba en cacao. Y según esos clones de cacao, este es selección Colombia.
Este es selección Colombia. So
Selección
we have a
Colombia.
different kind of cocoa fruits, no, different cross as well, no. And his family, his father used to work also in a cacao plantation, so he has been in the business for about 60 years, more or less, no. And he says that is a real, the Colombian cacao mark. I think we can say, no? Acá.
Bueno.
De selección Colombia.
¿Esa es la variedad? ¿Ese es el nombre?
Variedad Colombia.
¿Cómo no?
¿Ese es el nombre de la variedad?
Este es el nombre de la variedad, Selección Colombia,
Selección Colombia.
porque es un cacao mundial de toda la vida y este cacao lo llevaron a otros países.
Okay.
Este cacao lo llevaron al Ecuador.
So you know, really, when the Spanish arrived here and then they took it, no, to Europe, no, in that time.
¿Por qué lo polinizaron con el cacao del Ecuador? Ahora les voy a mostrar cuál es
el otro del cacao,
Ecuador.
no? Okay.
Porque
And then they take this variety, no, this kind, no, to Ecuador, and in Ecuador they make another choice.
porque